Hello, today I will be showing you guys how to repair a speaker on a PowerBeats 3 wireless. Both speakers are universal, which you can get at joesge.com. First is you heat up the speaker just underneath here. Don't heat it up too much or you can start burning the plastic. Take a pry tool, pry it up, should be open. Take this ear hook, bend it back. Take some alligator clips. Then is unsolder the 2 points. And then get your speaker that you can purchase on our website. Next, let's grab some pinchers. It doesn't really matter which color the wire goes onto, the left or the right. And what you do, just solder it. Go ahead and solder it back on. That. Try to push these back in a little bit, the wires. And the speaker should go in real nice like that. Then after you adjusted the speaker, go ahead and take some super glue. Just go around the circle. Not too much glue, try not to make a mess. Go ahead, put that in there. Just hold it down because glue tends to rise up. And that is how you replace a speaker on a PowerBeats 3 wireless. Thank you for watching.